Hi. So when I heard Oklahoma City and the surrounding area was going through a blizzard, I didn't think it was an actual blizzard, but it is. Well, I mean, you can't really see it from the camera, but there's blinding snowdrifts. You can't see them because they're... Never mind. Well, let's go out there and walk in that. Yeah? Alright. I don't even know if I just recorded anything. So I was making some jokes, and they didn't get recorded, but basically, you can't see the road from here. That's kind of cool, kind of frightening, but I'm not a car, so I'm not worried. And it sounds like the apocalypse. It's always a favorite thing of mine. Here's a church, though, luckily, you know. At least we got lots of those around. And snow all through my mouth. But if you can't see my mouth, do you know that I'm the one talking? I don't know. Damn. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the ice pelting me. Here's some ice. Icy conditions, icy sidewalks. I can't even see far away. Usually I can't. That's crazy. I'm going across the street. Ooh. Here's a friendly reminder. Once again, here we are in Apocalypse Town. I mean, Norman, Oklahoma. And you're gonna drive fast. You're an asshole. See these guys? Not assholes. They're driving at a perfectly appropriate. Actually, you know what? Just don't drive at all. This is really shitty. It's a blizzard. What are you doing? Where you gotta be? Some more blizzard. Pretty blizzardy blizzard. So, pop quiz, hot stuff shot. If you're going out in a blizzard, what are some things you need? Gloves. Even if they're different gloves. That's cool. You're gonna want some shoes. You don't want to go outside without shoes. You could go out with a camera. I could see where you get that idea, but it's not necessary. Oh, well, here's a really good way to remember. Just think of an acronym. You know, HOBO. What does it spell? Hobo. H. A heavy coat. That's what I got on right here. O. An onion. Think about an onion. It's got layers. Huh? B. Like bandages. Like a mummy. Because they're wrapped up. Look. Mummy. B. Or O. Or just put on a lot of clothes. Right? It's that easy. HOBO. Stay warm. You don't want to get sick. It's Christmas time. Winter. It hurts to walk. It's called blinding snow. Because it blinds you because you have to walk backwards. Or else it hits you in the face and blinds you anyway. That was pushing me. I hope you had a fun time coming with me on this winter excursion. It's been real nice. It's kind of cold now. I'm going to get home. I'm going to the ATM like I planned to. Oh, God. Remember, HOBO, oboe. Walk backwards. Wear shoes. All these blizzard tips will help keep you safe. And me. Holy sweet conventional wisdom. That was probably the worst idea I've ever had. I thought it would be fun. I thought it would be an adventure. And it will sit here hurt my eye. But see, when it's falling peacefully like this, it's kind of... Well, you can't see it. Because your camera. The feeling. I can see the feeling. When it's hitting you in the eyes and the temples, in the mouth region, I really don't want to be there. So I'll walk backwards. And maybe that's a metaphor. You know, if you want to go forward, you gotta walk backwards sometimes. Think about that. I haven't. Really. I just made it up.